a psychologist, Hermann Ebbinghaus, discovered something fascinating. He discovered the another aspect that no one talks about is your if your timetable was designed by neuroscientists and cognitive scientists, then hello everyone, I am Harsh Sharma, an MBBS student, scored 670 in me. So today we will discuss how your memory actually works and how to study not against it but with the flow of your memory. So let's start today's session now. You read a chapter today, okay? And within 3 days, 75% of it will be gone. This is not that you are not studying properly. This means that your brain is performing as it should. Now, understand that your brain is not a memory drive or a hard drive. No. Your brain doesn't store information forever. It only stores information that it really sees that it is important or not. Now look, you came across thousands of things in a day like number plates, some Aadhaar card number, or any other or hoardings, banners. You see multiple things, but you don't remember all of them, right? So, which part of brain decides what to remember and what not? Now look, your all the things that you do are processed in your hippocampus, which is your primary memory generating device. Now, the more you are revising, the more you are strengthening your hippocampus, and the more are the chances that this memory will become your secondary memory in prefrontal cortex, which you will be able to a psychologist remember for
Hermann
an
Ebbinghaus
remember, retain, and
discovered
recall
something
for
fascinating.
a longer period
He
of time.
discovered
the forgetting or memory curve. Now, what is it? So, whenever you are studying, for example, you read a topic. After 3 days, 75% of it will be gone. And your retention with time looks like this. It has a inverse relation. Now, how can you break this forgetting curve? Now, you can break this forgetting curve by spaced repetition. Now, what is spaced repetition? As we have already discussed many times. Now, look. First, for example, on day 1, you read a topic. Now, you need to revise it again on 7th day, then 15th day, then after a month or 30th day, and then after 3 months, that is 90 day. So, it will do your memory consolidation. Now, how will it affect the graph? We will see. Now, look. For example, you learn it on first day, and on 7th day, this curve was going like this. On 7th day, you break the curve. Now, curve again look like this, and now it was again decreasing. On 15th day, now you again break the curve, and further you keep breaking the curve, and it will look like this. So, this is your forgetting curve. And how can you break forgetting curve? By spaced repetition. Now, for spaced repetition, the major thing is that whenever you are studying for the first time, you study more efficiently. Now look, the more efficiently you will study it for the first time, the less time it will take for your revision. Now, so what you need to do? You study with active recall. You read the topic, solve the then do blank page technique where you take a blank page and write all the points you are remembering on the page, and then again read notes to see which points you have skipped or which points you have marked incorrect. Now, after that, immediately test yourself. Sort MCQs of the topic immediately and see which points you are doing wrong or or which points are not clear to you. Okay, so this is your active recall. This active recall and spaced repetition mix along will be a deadly combination, and it will boost your preparation to many times. Okay. Another aspect that no one talks about is your sleep. Many people tells you that study 14 hours, sleep for 4 hours, do study all day and all. Now, this is complete bullshit. Now, what you need to do, your sleeping is a major factor in your memory consolidation. Okay. So, if you are a student, you must sleep at least 6 hours a day, because your brain is not only learning when you are reading something or testing something. Your brain is organizing the memory when you are sleeping. So, studying 6 hours with a proper sleep is better than studying 8 hours with an exhausted mind. So, sleep is an equally important factor. Provided you utilize your whole day very wisely, then you can easily sleep for 6 to 7 hours and your memory will be consolidated. So, study by sacrificing your social media or any other leisure activities that are not important, but don't sacrifice your sleep, because your sleep is a major factor in your memory consolidation. If your timetable was designed by neuroscientists and cognitive scientists, then the main thing that they included will be your active recalling and spaced repetition method. So, you, as I told earlier, you read the topic, do active recall, solve MCQ immediately, test yourself and see where you are wrong and where you are right. Read the topic in which you do questions incorrect or you skip questions. Read the topic. Read the topic just at that moment only. Okay. And then after 7, 15, 30 and 90 days, repeat the process. And your memory consolidation will be solid. And it will move from your hippocampus to your prefrontal cortex, which is the area of brain that is your responsible for your generation of secondary memory. Clear? So, in today's session, we learned that memory is not just built by exposure, it is built by retrieval. When you will do active recall, you will do spaced repetition, you will have a proper sleep. It will consolidate and strengthen your memory more than just reading 10 hours with an exhausted mind or improper sleep. Okay? And you need to understand that the more you will revise, the more you will give your signals to your brain that this information is important and we have to retain it. And it will also help you to recall it under the exam pressure. If you have any doubt, you can leave in the comments, and if you are preparing for NEET, you can prepare with the hobby and MyTech, where we will complete your entire syllabus, and along with it, we will highly focus on your question solving tactics, your recall and retaining techniques, and most importantly, we will make sure that you are not having any web logs, and we will make your personalized plan accordingly. So, if you are interested, you can fill the form given in description, and if you are having any doubts, you can drop it in the comment section and I will look after your problem. Thank you very much and all the best.